Well, it's going to be another one of those mornings where you want to build in a lot of extra time as you head out the door. Again, that reduced visibility, that dense fog, it's going to be a problem as we go all through this Monday morning. That dense fog advisory doesn't expire until midday here into Boone County. Again, latest look at Fog Tracker. Typically, we're burning some of this off by about 9 and 10 o'clock, but looks like we're going to hang on to a lot of this as we get into the next couple of hours beyond that, even into the early afternoon hours. The problem, though, of course, or what's kind of complicating matters, not only can it be a little bit tough to see out there, those temperatures as we get out and about on some of those roadways going to be right around that freezing mark. So again, could see even a few isolated slick spots on some of those bridges and overpasses. But I think we get rid of them as we get into this afternoon, but not too far away from that freezing mark, still stuck in the 30s by 2 o'clock. By tonight, though, again, we'll still hang on to those mostly cloudy skies. We're on our way back into those middle 20s here. I don't think we're going to be looking at any fog, but still a little bit on the cool side as we get into our Tuesday morning. But the good news is we're going to kick some of this cloud cover out of here, at least for a day, and get back into the middle 40s here. So it's going to be another good day to get out there and maybe enjoy for once as we get into one of those nice days of 2021. It's been a bit of a struggle the last couple of days. But again, those road temperatures, that's what we're going to be tracking as we go forward this morning. Build in plenty of extra time to kind of offset the slow go of it on some of those roadways and maybe even see a slick spot or two. But again, I don't think it's going to be terribly widespread. We do have a chance at picking up some snowflakes as we get toward the middle of this week. Latest look at future track. Again, we'll start you off as we get into Wednesday afternoon and evening. I think this next storm system is going to be starting out as that liquid form, but we do have a chance at maybe flipping some of that over into some of those snowflakes again as we go throughout the day on Thursday. It depends on a couple of things, though. There's still a few questions we have to answer as we get into that exact track and exactly how far south this storm system is going to be rotating as it moves on through and how long it's going to be lingering around. Again, I think looking at some of the latest trends so far this morning, it looks like it's trending a little bit too far to the south to be of much concern for us, and that means it's going to be a little bit less in terms of that precipitation producer. Looking at that ABC 17 Storm Track 7-day forecast, though, it's about the only problem to it. Really the first hiccup here as we get into the first full week of 2021 as we get into Wednesday and Thursday. My Friday and Saturday still kind of stuck in the cloud cover in those upper 30s as we get into this weekend.